In this video, I'll show you how to set up a wired internet connection on your Amazon Fire TV for a more stable streaming experience. Using an Ethernet cable and adapter, you'll enjoy a reliable connection. Like and subscribe for more tips. To start, you'll need a few things: an Amazon Ethernet adapter or a compatible third-party USB to Ethernet adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a router with an available LAN port. Once you have these ready, we can begin setting everything up. Now, let's move on to the hardware setup. First, plug the Ethernet adapter into the micro USB port on your Fire TV stick or cube. Then, connect the USB power cable to the adapter. After that, take your Ethernet cable, plug one end into the adapter, and the other end into a LAN port on your router. Once everything's connected, you're ready for the next step. For the software setup, turn on your Fire TV and go to Settings, then select Network. Once the adapter is plugged in, you should see a wired option appear. Select it, and your Fire TV will automatically connect to the wired internet. To verify the connection, check your network settings to ensure wired is showing as the active network. Turn off Wi-Fi to make sure the Fire TV is using the wired connection. After that, open any streaming app to confirm everything is working smoothly. If you run into any issues, here are some troubleshooting steps. If the adapter isn't recognized, try unplugging and replugging the Ethernet adapter and cable firmly. Make sure the power cable is connected to the adapter. If you don't see the wired option in the network settings, try restarting your Fire TV device. It's also a good idea to double-check that the Ethernet adapter is compatible with your Fire TV model. You might also want to try a different Ethernet cable or use a different port on your router to see if that helps. If your connection works but streaming is buffering, try a different Ethernet port on your router. Also, test a different Ethernet cable to see if that resolves the issue. If it still doesn't work, restarting your Fire TV can sometimes do the trick. You should now be all set to enjoy a more stable wired connection on your Fire TV. And that's it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you set up a wired internet connection on your Fire TV, making your streaming experience more stable. If you ran into any issues, or if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went.